Quad hello and welcome to Tech 24. Today we're taking a closer look at the Teny home prefab house, the most popular modular prefabricated villa on the market. With its sleek and contemporary design. This prefab house features clean lines and minimalist features for a sophisticated look that will elevate any living space. The efficient and precise modular construction ensures high-quality standards are maintained throughout the building process. What sets this prefab house apart is its versatility with adaptable floor plans to suit various living needs. It's ideal for permanent residences, vacation villas, or compact living spaces. Not to mention, it incorporates sustainable and energy-efficient features to minimize environmental impact. Crafted from durable and high-quality materials, this prefab house ensures longevity and low maintenance for homeowners. Plus, with its modular construction, assembly is quick and easy, reducing overall construction timelines without compromising quality. So, if you're in the market for a modern, energy-efficient, and versatile living space, be sure to check out the Teny home prefab house. You can find the link in the description below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews and updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Tech 24 Quad.